using screen capture to be transported into another application like PowerPoint, then you can simply use the share feature right here, where you can select different applications that you can directly share with after you have captured it. So now what I'm going to do is, for this example, I'm going to select PowerPoint right here. So once I do that, I can simply hit capture and then just take screen shot as normal. And what happens is that you can see it opens it up in PowerPoint just like this and imports it in there. So let me just discard this one out, and now let me select something else. Like, let's say I want to save it out as a file right here. So let me just capture this, select this, and what happens is that it asks me where I want to save this out. So I can simply go over here and then save it onto my desktop or this PC right over here, just like that. Similarly, you can go over here and export it out, share it out in other applications. You can share it out in Camtasia, in Twitter, Evernote, Google Drive, Dropbox, and so forth. So it's just like using the share feature out of the editor right here, but you're just doing it directly from the recorder itself. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.